Okay, we are here outside of the petrol gas station in Joplin, and I'm here with Corporal Sam Carpenter with us, Missouri State Highway Patrol. So we're talking about this Memorial Weekend. So tell me a little about what you guys are expected to see that's kind of different from the normal days.
Well, any holiday weekend we expect to see an increase of traffic on our highways, and so as such we try to increase the number of troopers that are out doing enforcement for the holiday just to keep our roadways a little bit safer.
So what are some things that you think people need to be aware of this weekend? Obviously it's common sense. Follow the rules, laws, buckle up, don't drink and drive, but just tell me a little bit about that.
Well, just with that added congestion, the biggest thing we want people to do is give themselves extra time to get to their destination and not try to make up time with speed. Speed's our number one contributing factor in serious injuries and fatal crashes, so we want to keep people's speeds down. The traffic is going to be heavy, so you're not going to be able to maintain those speeds anyway. And we do have a lot of construction going on, so just be patient, plan your route. Give yourself extra time, but we are going to be looking for the impaired drivers, of course, but also distracted driving and aggressive driving. Those are the things we target the most.
So say someone gets in an accident this weekend driving, they're out of town, they're in state. What's one way they can probably get a hold of you guys if they need help?
Obviously, if you're in a crash, 911 will get you help. Star 55 is our emergency line for the Highway Patrol on your cell phone. And we'll get you help wherever you are. It goes to the nearest agency. We want people to be aware, though, if you're in a minor crash on our roadways, the law does we ask you to move your vehicle off. That's our law in Missouri. So make sure everybody's okay, but get your vehicles out of the roadway so we don't cause another crash.
All right. Well, I appreciate the time. Hopefully you guys have a safe weekend out there working, and anybody else out working this weekend. So have a great Memorial Weekend, and we'll be right back after this.